Tara tayo ma-disconnect, no? Pero yun, try natin, no? I-check natin mga skills muna natin, syempre. Syempre, wala pa tayong mga second job na skills kasi mamimili pa tayo from Warlock or Wizard. So, check muna natin. So, unang-una yung mage natin, no? Pisahan agad natin, syempre, sa skills. Unang-una is yung kanilang energy sphere. And so, this one is single target. So, magical damage siya. Magical attack. So, ito, back to itong ating dark message. Cold Wave, AoE. Magical damage din siya. 3 enemies. Broken Armor, magical damage din. Tapos, single target din siya. So, this one, get-reduce ng magical penetration resistance by 15%. So, ito, balikan natin yung Cold Wave. Reduces movement speed by 50% for 3 seconds. Napakalaki niyan, guys, yung 50%. Sobrang bagal niyan. Kahit 3 seconds yan, madadama mo talaga yan sa flash. Wide Pollution is magical damage din. And then, up to 5 enemies, no? Nung pahingang tamaan. And then, reduce attack speed by 30% for 5